Lages, state of Santa Catarina, southern region of Brazil. Here is strategically located one of the country's major manufacturers of pine wood and eucalyptus wood doors, Madepar, Wood Industry and Trade Limited. Madepar is part of the Parizotto business group, which comprises the following companies: Separ, civil construction; Dupar, cleaning products industry; Agropar, agribusiness; MAP, a first-class hotel; Avanex, chemical industry; and MR Transports. In August 1977, Madepar started operating in the municipality of Lages, Santa Catarina, in the sawn lumber business for the building trade, fruit boxes and pallets. Currently, Madepar makes a wide range of models and sizes of doors, of solid pine, veneer, MDF covered, eucalyptus, mixed, painted, stained, glazed, and with attached frame. Competing in the international market and appearing among the main Brazilian door exporters, selling its products in more than 25 countries in all continents. The company's difference lies in a process which is overseen and controlled at all stages, from selection of seeds for planting the forests up to final delivery to the consumer, the focus being on product quality for complete customer satisfaction. The ongoing investments in new technologies and the development of new products for the market led Madepar to be the #1 maker in Brazil to develop the clear engineered pine door process. The condition that provided Madepar with top quality raw material is due to the fact that our region has a strong vocation for forestry, where the species Pinus teda and Eliotis best adapt and develop. That is why the company went on to invest continuously in reforestation, seeking self-sufficiency in raw material, establishing its forest management units in the highlands of the state of Santa Catarina and the northeast of the state of Rio Grande do Sul. Currently, there are 23 units in 10 municipalities. So as to be sure that its product comes from properly managed forests, Madepar has adopted in its operating system the Forest Stewardship Council's principles and standards. Madepar is certified by FSC, Forest Care and Management. The choice of areas for planting is made following strict criteria, always seeking to safeguard permanent preservation and environmental control areas. Seed selection seeks to obtain improved genetic material suited to the region. Planting and later maintenance are carried out and monitored so as to assure the development of the forest with the best possible output. Wood is cut in accordance with techniques that make the best possible use of the material. A roadway system which is adequate for its requirements and those of the communities where it operates is maintained so as to provide benefits and minimize environmental impacts at the lowest possible cost. The production process begins with the arrival of raw material at the plant, where the wood is certified and identified. The sawmill transforms the logs into planks, blocks, and boards, which are stacked, and right away taken to the ovens for drying. The wood drying process is automated and provides wood with the humidity required by the clients. After drying, the wood is graded and stored in suitable deposits. The laminating sector processes the cutting and drying of the veneer sheets, which are taken to their respective deposit where they are stored and later graded, rectified, joined and sanded as needed by door manufacturer. At pre-cutting, the raw lumber is received and goes through the following stages: planing, cutting, trimming, finger jointing, bonding, calibrating and adding veneer. In the machining shop, the wood is straightened, drilled, machined and cut to final measurements. The panels are also made in the machining shop. Assembly comprises joining, assembling, sanding, revising and crating. In the paint shop, the doors are stained or painted according to customers' requirements. And finally, at dispatching, the doors are palletized and shipped out. So as to ensure the quality of its products, Madepar implemented and carries out its quality management based on ISO 9001-2000. Madepar counts on a new products laboratory which carries out the development of new items, analysis and tests. Madepar considers its personnel its greatest asset, and as such gives them constant training for qualifying managers and for providing for its technical and operating requirements, always aiming for a spirit of progress and encouraging teamwork. In the social field, Madepar earned the recognition of society and the public authorities, mainly due to its plans and associations with the community. Among them, Juvenile Environment Protection Project, an arrangement with the Environmental Police Force of Santa Catarina, which seeks to guide children and adolescents in the hills region to act as spreaders and defenders of a culture turned to the preservation of the environment. Project Vianney, Participative Environment Diagnosis, seeks to know the environmental conditions under which live the communities where it operates, leading to actions for the socio-economic development of the region. Project Environmental Study, an agreement with Uniplac, Santa Catarina Highlands University, seeks to provide inputs for the proper handling of the recovery and maintenance of local biodiversity through qualitative and quantitative information about vegetation and wildlife existing in its forestry management units. The object of Project 2000 Start-Off, an association with local SESI, is to support improvements in public schools. It also has an association with SESI to encourage its employees to seek and upgrade their schooling, providing education and qualification as from literacy. Madepar's success is based on a collective effort that comprises personnel, partners, clients and suppliers, in which we are proud of every moment, whether it is the planting of the seed in the ground or when the container is sealed, sending out into the world a product of quality and 100% Brazilian. Madepar. Here, conservation opens doors.